Hey everybody, welcome to my channel. I'm Divya, and in today's video I'm going to talk about a way how you can use a old sari which has been worn a lot of time, but still it has not turned old or it doesn't look bad, and you can use it, but you're bored of wearing the same old sari again and again. So you can give it a twist and create a kurta out of it if you wear kurtas, or you can create it for your daughter or your sister, anybody you feel like, and use that cloth again. It is a 5 meter sari, so only making a kurta will not use it completely. So at the end I'll share a tip with you all in the way, it will share a way in which you can use it in other multiple ways. So you can see I'm wearing a kurta. It's basically a kurta, and you can see the upper portion of this, and I also share a few pictures. I don't have before picture of this sari, but I'll try and make you understand that how I used that sari, and I'll share some pictures of this kurta at the end of this video. So stay tuned, and I'll also share some tip how you can use the leftover cloth and create some other stuffs as well. So it was a synthetic sari of my mom. It was gifted by somebody to her. She wore it many times, and then it was kept. And she was like, since synthetic sari, they don't get torn up, or we can use them multiple times. They are mostly in Indian houses. They are used to make covers of furnitures and appliances. So that would be a tip. You can use it in that way as well, but use the good portion, like the area of aanchal. We call it the aanchal part, the pallu part of the sari, which is embroidered at times, and which is more beautiful from the entire rest of the part of the sari. So I have used the sari in the similar way. I used the pallu part to create this upper body, the bust area of this kurta, and the lower part was made by the inner sari part. It went like this. The aanchal part, the pallu part, it was not that broad. It was around not a meter, I would say. It was less than a meter. Also, it was less than a meter. So, or you can calculate in a way it should be a 1 meter at least, the pallu part, so that you can create the bust area. So it was having pipings at the end, the corners were having pipings, so that was used to create this area. And it is similar from the back side as well. You will see that. Can you see it? Yes. So I created the neck line using that portion, and cutting out that portion, and the pallu was having some design in this way, both the corners after this. So that portion was used to create the front and the back part as well. At the back also I have some similar design, and the rest part, which was having some double fabric, so it was used to create the sleeves. You can use your sari, the sari which you have, you can use it accordingly how it looks and how it can be created. So it comes still here only, this is the bust area, and from here I have created a slit to make it a slit kurta. High slit kurta. It is basically a high slit kurta. So you must have gotten a rough idea of how this has been created, and you can use your mom's sari, whichever sari which has a flowy texture, which flows like this. When you hold it, it goes like this easily. So this is called the flowiness of a cloth, how it flows. So you can use these type of cloth to create a kurti, or there are many other stuffs which you can create apart from a kurti. You can use it as a dupatta as well, by putting some lace at the corners of the cloth, and you can use the 2.5 or 3 meters of cloth to create a very nice dupatta, which can go with any of your suit which you have created by your own, or you have used cloth materials to make a suit set, and you can use any sari which matches to that suit to create a dupatta out of it. And apart from that, you can make the kurta for sure, and you can also use it to like create covers of appliances and furnitures at your home. Since it is a basic Indian habit that we cover things with cloths, and you can create your own cover at home. You can use a old synthetic sari, because it doesn't get it doesn't get rugged. You can use it a lot of time, and you can clean it easily. It gets dried up easily, and it will not tone up easily, so it can be used in multiple ways. And instead of throwing it, we can use it and make it a sustainable cloth, which can be used again and again. So I just wanted to share a few ideas how you can use your old clothes and make them look better, and you will feel happy using your the old clothes which are not so old. Just because you have worn it many times, you don't want to wear it again, so you can just give it a twist and turn and just create a new look and go with that look. So that would look very pretty, and I would surely suggest that you must try this once in this lockdown. You can if you have any tailor nearby, near your home, there are many ladies who do the work of tailoring, so you can consult them, and they'll also get a good work because of you. So you can just do that. If you know somebody who is very near to you and you know them personally, otherwise I would not suggest you to go somewhere to a tailor whom you don't know, because of this COVID times. Be safe at your home. No need to go anywhere if you don't have any urgent work. So it was just an idea, and if you know how to stitch, then it's well and good. You can do it by your own and create something good. So I hope you like this video, and keep watching and keep supporting. Thank you.